Are you anxious about your tech career? You're not alone. Many tech professionals feel uneasy, despite high demand for jobs. Understanding this paradox helps ease your worries. Let's explore why instability exists in tech careers. First, rapid change is a hallmark of technology. New tools and processes emerge quickly. Keeping up can be overwhelming. Next, companies frequently restructure. They adjust to market trends and shifts. This often results in layoffs, even among top performers. It's frustrating for employees who feel secure. Another factor is job stress. Tech roles are high-pressure environments. Tight deadlines and demanding projects can lead to burnout. When individuals are burnt out, productivity and creativity suffer. Role volatility is another issue. Many tech roles evolve quickly. Skills may become outdated within months. Professionals feel the need to constantly learn and adapt, which can create anxiety. As an example, consider software development. A developer might specialize in a popular language today. But what happens when a new language takes over? They may need to retrain to stay relevant. In summary, the tech industry is paradoxical. Demand is high, yet instability exists due to rapid change, layoffs, stress, and evolving roles. Embrace continuous learning to navigate this landscape confidently. Want to manage your tech career better? Invest in skill development today with Uplatz. Stay informed, adapt, and thrive in this dynamic industry.